Demna, Creative Director di Balenciaga e vincitore di una delle edizioni di ITS, ha fatto una sorpresa incredibile ai finalisti.
Oh my God.
Abbiamo aperto la porta e lui era lì, in collegamento via Zoom, pronto a rispondere ad ogni domanda.
When I first entered the room in Sunday and I saw Demna's face, I was like, oh my God, like amazing, like it's a great level. And he was also so sweet to talk with and so open about his experience, and I feel like I've learned so much.
All the workshop that we did, finalists didn't know until last minute.
No, we didn't know.
Hello, I'm Marcel Sommer, I'm 27 years old and I'm coming from the south of Germany.
It was really spontaneous. I mean, they didn't told us till the morning what's gonna happen.
And they had to
React spontaneously because you don't have enough time to think about.
which is quite a nice idea.
So we're gonna do the t-shirts customization workshop. So you can choose either like this year's t-shirts or old editions, and that will be sold to the charity.
I'm super excited to chat with Tom today. I mean, his work has definitely inspired me. I have a lot of people say like my own personal designs are sometimes too theatrical or too kind of crazy and out there, and that's why I'm always looking at people like Lady Gaga and the other VIPs that he's working with.
I didn't want to do a talk where I talked about myself and blah, blah, blah. I wanted them to be like, you can ask me any question that you want, because I know that's a big issue in the industry as well, especially when I started. Like, I didn't know what you could charge for you or how I could protect my work. These kids really care about politics, the environment. They're very emotionally affected by it. It was a topic that came up a lot of times, the wars, etc. And I think they just want to create art.
I'm a creative and it's okay.
Hi ITS, my name is Shannon Poupard. I'm French, but I was raised in Chile.
And it doesn't make sense that I make another pant or another bomber jacket or another piece of clothing. But it's okay also to be creative and to make things that matter and that have a cultural impact, a social impact.
The objective was to help them understand how to bring sustainability at the center of their projects. Not as something that they had to do, but more as something that they wanted to be, how they, could embrace a new design culture that really puts their creativity in the direction to become a tool to answer some of the biggest challenges we have worldwide from a social standpoint, an environmental standpoint, a public health standpoint.
The new generation are the ones that want to make this change, are the ones that are more conscious and aware that they want to have a better world for the future, and they are our change makers. And so the system and the older generation, such as us, needs to support them and give visibility, and you see that they want to make the real change.